Welcome to the introduction to user access. In this video we'll give you a quick overview of what you can expect from user access. Go to the user access menu item and make sure you have a subscription. This is the user access dashboard, where you can see and manage your users, groups and spaces. We'll start by making a group. When you edit the group, you can add a user or multiple users at the same time. To add this group to a space, just select it from the drop-down menu. For this example, we're going to add a new space for our users. When I select a space from the drop-down menu, it gives me a warning that the space will be locked and not publicly available anymore. When I click the update button, the users will automatically receive an email with all the information they need. Let's take a look at the user flow. When the users open the email on their desktop, they can either search a shortcode or open the Vector app and scan the QR code. When the users open the space, it asks for the personal PIN code, which we provide in the email. After entering the PIN code, it now shows the content. If opening the email on their device, it's also possible to click on the link. The other steps are the same. They enter their PIN code and it shows the content. This was an introduction to user access. Thank you for your time.